I generated $103,122 from one single product using a simple YouTube system. And today I'm giving you the exact blueprint to do the same. Now, this isn't going to be just a theoretical framework. It is the actual asset assembly line, the actual products that I built out, and how I use to turn viewers into buyers with this specific framework. Now, I use this architecture to sell my YouTube Launchpad course. So that's the one product. And I did this over a course of 2 years. While most people are chasing, the AdSense hamster wheel here, this channel is all about focusing on building business assets using one funnel, one product, and one YouTube channel. So if that's what you want to do, you're in the right place. Now, I've broken this down into 4 parts, starting with the one asset that most people script completely backwards, and that is your lead magnet video. So this entire process starts with something called the lead magnet video. What is that? It is a video that you make that starts the entire sales process. Now, most people treat the lead magnet like a freebie to grab an email address. And then what that does is it usually attracts a bunch of people who just want the free information. So in my world, a lead magnet video is literally the first step of the sale. The rule is you never script the video first, but you decide what you want your audience to download first. And then you reverse engineer the lead magnet video to lead them to that win. So you're literally setting the goal of the video first. So the goal of the video is to get leads, so you create that. So for example, if you're selling a meditation guide, you're not just going to make a generic video about why meditation is good for you or the 5-minute meditation, right? Instead, you're going to make a video about the 5-minute routine that ends morning anxiety. And then you're going to offer a specific morning meditation for them to download. So now what you're doing is you're matching a specific problem with a solution. And when you mention the guide in your lead magnet video, you don't make it sound like a commercial. There's no ad break. It doesn't sound like something separate from the video. It is so well integrated in the video. And you do that with a casual mention. Like you just say you have a template for what you are teaching. And if you'd like, you can literally say, if you'd like to start your morning intentionally, get my morning meditation from the link in the description. So it's a natural, logical progression to the free stuff that you are giving in your video. So it becomes less about selling it and more about providing a tool that makes the lesson easier to implement. So the free lesson in the YouTube video, and then the natural next step to implement it as your lead magnet. Now, once your audience has downloaded your lead magnet, they're on your email list. Congratulations. Now we move them from consuming content to actually talking to you. And I use a 3 email sequence for this. So the first email is immediately about the lead magnet. So they wanted the lead magnet. So in the first email, you want to give them the link to the lead magnet immediately with no distractions. A lot of people at this point want to talk about themselves and their backstory and why they started their business. And I get the need to want to do that, but don't do it. Like literally, if somebody signs up for your lead magnet, your first email should instantly deliver on the promise. So you just send them the lead magnet and nothing else. The second email, usually like a day later, depending on your cadence, should provide a companion video showing them exactly how to use the lead magnet. This is your value add. You can film this as an unlisted video, put it on your YouTube channel, and just send it to your email subscribers, which makes them feel like they're getting some unique value, something that's not freely available, and it actually adds to the lead magnet itself. So the second email actually further builds trust because now you've given even more value. And so far, you've just given value and given value. And the third email is the conversation starter. And it asks just one question. And that is, what's your number one challenge with insert your topic here right now? So you insert your topic there, obviously. And this is an invitation for people to reply to you. And this also whitelists your email address. So when they reply, you land in their inboxes instead of their spam folders. And it gives you the exact language you need for your sales copy. Because when people reply, they're going to reply with their exact challenges, with the problems, where they are right now in their journey. And that is valuable information for you as a business owner. Now, in some cases, as soon as someone tells you their challenge, you might be able to maybe immediately make them an offer with a product that solves their challenge. But usually for higher ticket coaching programs or courses, even, people need to spend a little more time with you before they're ready to buy. Which brings me to part 3, enter the webinar funnel. Webinar is probably a very dangerous word in the marketing world because it typically implies a lot of negativity, but you can substitute it with workshop, training session, live stream. You can call it literally anything else. The goal of the webinar is to move your audience into a controlled environment where they can see your full framework in action. So think of it like this. A YouTube video is great for building authority, trust, giving out free information. The webinar is the actual implementation vehicle. Its purpose is to build a bridge or a gap between understanding the concept and actually seeing how to apply that concept. Now, me personally, I use like a monthly cadence for this. I call it my 3+1 rhythm. So what I do is I do 3 recorded videos on my YouTube channel, this one that you're watching right now, and 1 live webinar or live stream or live workshop per month. And I don't do the traditional 45 minutes of teaching followed by a hard sales pitch that most webinars do, because it feels awkward to me to do that. And frankly, it just makes people drop off, because the minute you switch from teaching to selling, there's a hard shift. So what I do is I actually teach and sell throughout the entire presentation. So I weave the offer directly into the lesson, so it feels like a natural part of the teaching. So for example, if I do a webinar teaching you how to build a content calendar, I'm going to give you the strategy right there in the live webinar. Like, that's going to be the value. And then I'll invite you to build your content calendar with me inside a paid program, and that's going to be the offer. So you're seeing the how and how the tool works at the exact same time. So you're getting value, but you're also being told that you can join a program for the next step of implementation. Now, this is great for keeping people on board, great for retention, because the value and the offer are essentially the same thing. And I like to say that the product is the marketing. This is the exact structure that produced those 6-figure sales, because it normalizes the solution and makes it the logical next step for someone to take. So by the time you get to the end of your presentation, the audience doesn't feel like they've been pitched. They feel like they've been shown the logical next step. Now, it's important to note that if you sell something high ticket, like one-to-one coaching, for example, you might not even need an actual webinar, okay? You might need a conversation-based system instead, which I'll actually cover at the end of this video, right? So if that's your thing, keep watching. But if you're selling a course or a group program or a digital product, this webinar funnel is your primary sales engine. Now, once you wrap up your webinar, the system moves into a 5-day launch sequence. 5 days is just an average. It could be a 3-day, 7-day, or even a 10-day launch sequence, depending on you. This is a series of emails sent out over, for example, 5 days, but each email has a very specific job to do. And I'm going to tell you exactly what those 5 emails are. The first email is all about clarity. So you're stripping away the mystery by showing exactly what's inside the program. The second email provides evidence that your product actually works. So here you're going to share a specific result or a case study and a testimonial perhaps to prove that your system gets real results for real people. And if you don't have clients already, then you can show how it got results for you. So you want to use your own product, right? The third email focuses on answering questions. So you address common concerns, roadblocks, objections head on, so that you can remove the doubts that pop up right before somebody is getting ready to buy. The fourth email tells a story. Now you're showing the transformation that happens, the thinking that happens and someone uses your method. So you want people to visualize the same change for themselves. So you put it in a story format and they should be able to see how this is relevant for them. And then the final email is the urgency reminder. So this is the reminder that the window is closing and the cost of inaction is XYZ. Right? It's a reminder that staying exactly where they are has its own price and it's a cost to them. So now let's look at the math behind the 103,122. I didn't generate this income from a viral hit or by spending thousands on ads. In fact, I actually didn't spend anything on ads. This was all 100% organic sales. And I did it with just one digital course product and one funnel over 2 years. And the reason that it works is very simple. Every step prepares the viewer for the next one. So the lead magnet prepares them for the email list. The emails lead to the webinar. The webinar leads to the product sale. So what this proves is that you don't need to post hundreds of videos to make this work. You just need one really good system where every single video has a clear job to do. Because remember, this all started with the lead magnet video. That's the one you need to actually tweak and get right. And once you get that right, the rest of the system flows from there. Now, the system is also built to last even as your business changes. I use this exact funnel even right now. I don't sell a course anymore, so I don't sell YouTube Launchpad anymore, but the architecture of this funnel is still active in my business. I've simply swapped the old offer out for my new high-touch program and my Yes membership. So the takeaway is that once you build this system, you can just update the offer as you grow, right? So you can have multiple offers, you can change your offers even like I have, but this keeps your business really, really lean and prevents burnout and also prevents the overwhelm of constant content creation. Now, I want you to keep in mind that whatever system you develop, it must match what you're actually selling. So the webinar funnel works really well for digital products, for group programs, for coaching programs. But if you sell maybe a one-to-one, or maybe you sell a high-end consulting program, you probably might need an actual conversation with your future clients, right? Which might involve getting on a sales call or maybe chatting in DMs with your audience to actually understand their needs. So I'm not saying there's a one-size-fits-all, but I am saying that there is a system and an architecture that you can tweak, and this is what that entire framework looks like. Now, if you want to see the actual tech stack that I use to keep this entire system running, let me know in the comments and I'll film a separate video on the tools that I use and how much money I spend on the various tools to run this entire system. But if you want to turn your YouTube channel into a business asset that scales your income, then what I want you to do is click the link in the description to apply for YES. YES stands for the YouTube Entrepreneur Society, and it's my flagship program where we convert your YouTube channel into a magnet for clients, credibility, and cash flow. You can apply for YES using the link below, and I will most definitely see you in the next video.